face. Hey y'all, I have a order here from Crowd Cow. It's an online meat company that sells meats from and fish from farms all over that's grass fed and grass finished, and also grain fed as well as organic. So they have pretty good reviews. They do have a membership where you get 5% off each order. Also, you can schedule your order to whenever you want. You can take away from the order that you have. Also, you can add to the order. But normally, if you're on the membership, they will send out what you have in what you already previously ordered around the same day the following month. But again, you can't go in and cancel it if you don't want it no more. You could go in and change the order, take away from it, add to it. I also used a code from somebody on YouTube that had a $25 off code. So I probably got about $30 off of this order. They do use sustainable shipping, like that shipping stuff. So this, I guess it says to dispose, remove, and recycle film, compost, or break down panels and running water. So it is sustainable. Oh, I was just gonna hold it up, but while you was over there, they have the Crowd Cow. They are on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. They ship pretty quick, so I already know my date. My stuff is due to arrive. They ship with dry ice. I think they said it's like 30 pounds of dry ice in here, so it keeps it warm. Cold, and it's not overnight. It's a 3-day. I don't think you're supposed to touch that with your hand. You hear it?
You can. Your hand just might fall off.
I don't think you're supposed to. You hear the sound it's making?
You can use it for science experiments.
That's what they said.
Put in a Coke. Keep your Coca cold for hours.
Oh, you said that. Put it on pause.
Oh, okay.
This is the dry ice. You just put water on it.
And this is Bill 9, the science guy.
Brian, don't do that. Oh my gosh, y'all hear that sound? Keep it in here. Yeah, you don't want to stop the same video, so they did sandwich it with another cardboard. Then you have this paper. Some more paper. So in here, everything is frozen. I got this butterfly chicken, and this all cost me, everything that I got, I think was like $160 something.
Lord.
With the discount off.
Go get y'all some Walmart chicken for $2.99, y'all.
I got this is Wagyu steak. This is American Wagyu. This is wild caught blue Mexican shrimp. This is Wagyu ground beef. I want to tell y'all, Wagyu is really good. I eat the Wagyu burgers, grass-fed burgers from Sprouts, and they are so, they melt in your mouth. This is a lamb shank. And these are all too, they tell you where each farm that their meats come from. So on each of the packets, it tell you the lot number from the animal, the farm it comes from, and everything on each of their packages. Everything has the lot number and what farm. This has come from White Oak Pastures. So they get from sustainable farms all over the United States. And this stuff is frozen rock hard, isn't it, Ryan? And it's they shipped this out, I want to say Tuesday or something like that. So it's not going to melt. I bought 2 of the Mexican round shrimp for my daughter and home. Then they give you 2 of these for free when you order. They're grass-fed ground beef. And again, it tells you the farm and stuff is from, no antibiotics, hormones, it's free range, no preservatives. I like too that it gives you the nutrition facts as well. And then this is a fish I wanted to try called Arctic wolf fish. So yeah, I can't wait to try this. I bought 2 of those Wagyu ground beefs, and these are £1 each. They gave me 2 free for ordering from them for first time orders. So I have 2 of these. And then this is a New York strip steak, the meat company that is from. This thing is cold. And then I bought a skirt flank pack for me and my son to have like baby tacos, steak tacos or something. So that's my crowd cow order. I just gotta start cooking with it and you know, seeing how the meat and stuff tastes. I'm pretty sure it tastes good. A lot of the reviews were very good on the meat and everything. I didn't see any bad reviews so on YouTube. So yeah, crowd cow. The second test will be when I start cooking some of this stuff. So thank y'all for watching and subscribing. And I'll see you when I see you. Peace.